welcome aboard.
Thanks.
Hello?
I'm here, excuse me.
Welcome aboard.
Pinkberry?
No, thank you. Are you really pushing my drink back?
Encroachment.
Encroachment?
Yes, you're encroaching.
Oh, sorry.
That's a penalty. Passenger penalty. Look at this. Look at the size of these laces. Have you noticed that they're making laces much longer than they used to?
I'm actually trying to read something, so.
Yeah. Sorry to disturb you. I could do better than this. I'll pick it up.